Hi, this is David Ricks from Chapel Hill, North Carolina. I'm a full-time climbing arborist, and I'm doing a TreeStuff.com product review on the Falteimer Folding Cubes. These are, I would say, at a premium price point, but they last considerably longer than the less expensive options out there. And most of us, you might be seeing this and agree that you found that out the hard way. Buying 4 $25 cubes in the period of 6 months would have paid for one of these that's going to last much longer than that. These are each about a year old, and I did what most of you people that are watching this are probably trying to justify, is I got tired of buying cheaper cubes and having them wear out in weeks, if not months, and so I bit the bullet and bought a couple of these, and now all of our crews run these because they last longer. Corners are durable, even the material stands out. The pockets, the stitching stands out as much higher quality than any of the other options in the market. I know there are some circular options now. I haven't really tried those, but the Edelrid version that is an oval, I blew through 2 of those that in the same amount of time, 2 or 3 months. Again, that's more of a everyday scenario, doing 3 or 4 jobs a day, busting this out maybe 5 or 6 times a day for 5-6 days a week for a couple months, and you'll easily blow through a less expensive option. So I really wanted to do this review to convince people to get this before they spend the same amount of money in a short amount of time buying multiple other ones. So the cube is larger than some of the other ones out there. This has 180 foot of the Acculine in it with 2 throw balls, and it's got a handle in here. I attached some retrievable rings for pulling stuff out of the canopy too. It opens and closes just like all the other cubes out there, and folds up